1 Minute Slovak, Lesson 1.
Ahoj, my name is Lydia.
And my name is Mark. We'd like to welcome you to this course from Coffee Break Languages. During this course, we're going to be teaching you the absolute basics of Slovak. In each lesson, we'll spend roughly 1 minute learning the language, and then you'll have time to go over what you've learned.
Slovak is a language spoken by over 5 million people in Central Europe. It's the official language, of course, in the Slovak Republic, and it's very closely related to Czech. In fact, Slovak speakers and Czech speakers understand one another reasonably well. Slovak is one of the official languages of the European Union. Slovak is a very useful language to learn if you just want to learn one Slavic language, because it's very understandable for all other Slavic nations.
1 Minute Slovak is an introductory course, and we won't be teaching you everything you need to know. But the most important thing is that if you listen to our 10 lessons, you'll really be able to communicate with Slovak-speaking people. If you can say even a few phrases of Slovak, you'll really impress native speakers and make lots of friends. It's very easy to learn Slovak, and we hope you enjoy these lessons.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to be learning to say hello and goodbye, two very important words in any situation. To say hello or good day, you say
Dobrý deň.
Listen to this again.
Dobrý deň.
Try saying it after Lydia.
Dobrý deň.
There's also another simple greeting which is used in informal situations. Listen to this word.
Ahoj.
Listen again.
Ahoj.
Repeat one more time after Lydia.
Ahoj.
Now there's some good news here. Ahoy can also mean goodbye in an informal situation, so you get two for the price of one. However, there is another way to say goodbye, and this can be used in any situation. Listen to Lydia say goodbye in Slovak.
Dovidenia.
Listen again to how Lydia pronounces this syllable by syllable.
Dovidenia.
Try it one more time. Can we hear it again, Lydia?
Dovidenia.
Well done. Let's go over these phrases one more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with Lydia.
Dobrý deň. Ahoj. Dovidenia. Time's up. Well done.
That's all for this program of 1 Minute Slovak. We'd suggest that you listen again just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. You can visit our website at oneminute.languages.com. Join us again soon for more Slovak. In the meantime, goodbye, or as you can now say in Slovak,
Dovidenia.
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.